everyone, it's me Deepa and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my pepper shrimp. Now it's a little bit different. I'm going to make it without the shells. I know most people make it with the shells, but I picked up my shrimp from Fish Bar and I just cut open my packet. It comes frozen and it also comes clean already, so it doesn't have the shell on it, so I'm going to use it as is. And I am going to make some really delicious pepper shrimp. So my version of it. I hope you guys like this recipe. And I hope you all had a wonderful Old Year's night and Happy New Year. I did not even say that when I started the video. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you all have a wonderful year ahead. Thank you so much for following my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel, for following me on Facebook, for looking for my Instagram page and following me there. I really appreciate all your support, all the love, all the comments, everything. Thank you so much. I would not be here doing this if it's not for you guys and your encouragement and your continued support. Thank you so much for that. So I hope that you all enjoyed this recipe as well. And because it's frozen, I'm going to actually put this in a little bit of water, and that would help it to defrost. And then I'm going to season it up with some fresh green seasoning that I just blended. So, or chopped up. Yeah, more like chopped up. Or, yeah, chopped up. So, yeah, I have my seasoning here ready. And I'm just going to put this in some water, and I'm also going to wash it with some lime juice. So, I will be right back. Guys, so this is perfect. It's nice and well. So I'm gonna just empty this water. Now I'm going to just put a little bit of lime juice on this. Like rinse. You can also put a little bit of salt to wash it. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. My shrimp is ready. All I added was a little bit of lime juice. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to season. I'm also going to add a little bit of paprika powder, a little bit of black pepper. I have no particular measurement for that. I add as much as I want to, so you can do the same. I also have some green seasoning, freshly minced or chopped. This has this really well. I love pepper shrimp. Okay guys, so I'm ready to start cooking. I'm gonna put my stove on. You can keep it on a medium flame. And first I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to my pot. I like using a non-stick pan because I usually use less oil that way. So if you are, trying to eat a little bit healthier, this is what I would suggest you do. Invest in some non-stick pans, and that would be perfect. My oil is nice and hot. Now I'm going to add, so I have everything cut up here and prepared. I'm going to add some ginger. I am going to add some garlic. And I'm going to add some onions. Next, I am going to add my carrots and tomatoes. Okay guys, now I'm going to add my pimento. I'm gonna leave and add it at the end. I'm going to add a little bit of my fresh herbs. This is bandania, chardonnay, and celery. I'm also going to add a little bit of fresh thyme. Give it a stir. Once your carrots are nice and tender and your tomatoes has melted down a little bit, then you can add your hot pepper. Again guys, I don't really eat a lot of pepper, so if you want to add more, that's fine. If you want it really hot. Next, I'm going to add my shrimp. It smells so good. Okay guys, my shrimp is looking so good. Next I'm going to add my sweet. Why I'm adding my sweet peppers last is because they cook really quickly and I don't want them to get mushy. So that's why I added my sweet peppers. Gonna give it a quick stir. Next, I'm going to add my ketchup. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. You could add all your ketchup, but I don't want it to get like too ketchup-y. So I'm going to just add a little at a time, and I'll taste it, and then only then I'll be able to tell if I want more ketchup or not. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You don't even need to add sugar, but that is my secret ingredient for everything. Give it a stir. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Just a little, and of course you can taste it to make sure that you have added enough salt. Okay, this is a perfect, but I think I'm going to add all of my ketchup. But it did taste really good without it. But I thought, hey, why not? Why not add all the ketchup? Oh, this looks so good. It smells amazing. This is finished, so I'm going to take my stove off. And I'm going to finish it with some more fresh herbs on the top. And of course you can add some fresh thyme. Give it a little stir. Oh, this looks so good. It smells amazing. I cannot wait to bite into this. I also kept some pimentos back, so I'm going to add it now. And there we go. And of course, if you don't like that kind of tangy sort of taste, reduce the amount of vinegar that you're using, or you can even eliminate it. Even for me, I think this is really mild. It's not that hot. It could do with a little bit more spice, so feel free to add more pepper if you want to. So I just think that this really needed a little extra heat, so I'm adding a little chili powder to it. Don't add too much, you don't want it too spicy, but I figured it could be a little bit more spicy. Oh, this looks so good. It smells amazing. Okay guys, so my shrimp is finished. It smells amazing. The entire kitchen smells so good. I cannot wait to taste it. But before I taste it, I want to share with you guys what I'm pairing it with. So my mommy today, she actually went over to my auntie's house, Auntie Winnie, and Auntie Winnie cooked all this good stuff and she sent food for me. So I am going to have my pepper shrimp with this. So let me share with you guys what Auntie Winnie sent over, and my mommy also made one of the dishes as well. So let me show you. So I have my shrimp. It looks so good. God, so it looks really good. And I also have here foodie that my auntie sent. So she sent some noodles and fried rice, and my mommy made potato salad, her favorite. This is like her speciality. So I am going to have all these delicious sides with my shrimp. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my shrimp. Oh my god, this looks so good. Okay guys, so I have my foodies. Oh my god, it looks so good. I cannot wait to taste it. So let's dig in. So of course I'm going to have the shrimp first because that is the ultimate test. Then I'll have auntie and mommy's food with it. Okay, this is really good. I'm happy that I add the little bit of extra spice in the end because it really needed to be a little bit more spicy, but it is so delicious. And I'm also happy that I added the little extra ketchup at the end as well. That was a really nice it gave us a really nice flavor, and it's so delicious. I love it. Even the little extra ketchup I added to the end, but you don't need to add so much. It tasted really good without that extra spoon of ketchup. So I'm gonna have it with my auntie's rice. Guys, Auntie Winnie could cook. I'll tell you that for sure. And her noodles. Yum. Let me have a little bit of my mommy's potato salad. Okay, guys, I am going to continue to eat the best New Year's Day dinner ever in life. A little bit of everything, a little bit of everyone. My auntie's food, my mommy's food, and my own food. I cannot wait for you to try this recipe. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, guys. I wish you a wonderful year ahead. Thank you so much for supporting my page and my pages, I must say, because I have a couple pages. So thank you so much for following and showing your support. I have so much planned to share with you guys this year, and I hope you all enjoy it. So thank you again for watching. Bye.